Ephesians 6:10-11. Be strong in the Lord and in his mighty power. Put on the full armor of God so that you can take your stand against the devil's schemes.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while again, but today I'm here with a new hairstyle, and today I'll be doing the miracle braids. So Lockbraids reached out to me and they sent me their pre-separated 100% human hair, and I'll be using the Afro kinky texture today. As you guys can see, I have already gone ahead to start braiding or to start attaching these strands to my natural hair. This is literally giving knotless braids, and I'm going to show you guys step by step of how I achieve this hairstyle. So I'll go ahead to cornrow my hair into just natural braids. I had to do this the night before. Well, my neighbor helped me to do it because I couldn't be bothered to part my own hair. But yeah, so I just wanted it to be so easy because I do have other things to do. So I went ahead to take one strand and braid it to the tip of my natural hair first. That way you get to secure the ends, and I did go ahead and place at least 5 strands on each braids because I wanted it really full. But one thing I didn't realize, that when it comes to Afro kinky hair, even if you added 3 strands, it will still be full. So this hair was extra full. As you guys can see, this is not even the fullness of it until you actually comb it out. So I did go ahead to place at least 5 strands on each braid, and this is how it's looking. This is without even brushing it out. And then I went ahead to just do my edges, you know, just to make it look cute. And then once I finished doing this, I went ahead to now start, you know, brushing it out. I went ahead to use water first, and then I used a leave-in conditioner, and then I just go ahead to use a detangling brush just to brush this out. With this type of hair, you need to literally do it section by section. If not, it's just going to stress you out. And I ended up using mousse as well. And I think a week later of me having this hairstyle, I ended up doing makeup, and this is how the hair was looking. This hairstyle does take a lot of maintenance, but I'm gonna put all the details for you guys in the description box below. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.